Have you ever wondered if the energy and spark you felt in your youth is still inside you, just waiting to be reignited? Hi, I'm Dr. Rabeeca, a doctor with over 2 decades of experience helping adults over 60 feel more alive, confident, and connected physically and emotionally. And today, I'm going to share something surprisingly simple. A natural kitchen item that, when used correctly, may help support better circulation, steady energy, and overall vitality. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments below. Let's spend the next 8 minutes together rediscovering how to feel warm, energized, and alive again at any age. Chapter 1. The hidden thief of aging isn't just about wrinkles or gray hair. One of the most common and unnoticed culprits is poor circulation. As we age, our blood vessels naturally become less flexible, which can impact how warm, sharp, and connected we feel. It's not uncommon to experience cold hands or feet lower physical energy, a sense of emotional distanciation. Of my patients, Susan, 68, once said, "Dr. Rabeeca, I feel like I'm fading." If that sounds familiar, I want you to know, your body is capable of bouncing back sometimes with just a few mindful changes. Pause and reflect. Have you noticed cold hands or low energy lately? Type 1 in the comments if that resonates. Chapter 2. Why? Circulation fuels everything. Circulation is more than just your heart pumping, it's about every cell in your body receiving oxygen and nutrients. When blood flow slows, it's like dimming the lights in your body. You may feel tired or foggy, disconnected or unmotivated, less vibrant overall. From a medical perspective, this can be tied to a natural decrease in nitric oxide, which helps blood vessels stay open and flexible. But here's the good news. Supporting circulation is possible at any age, gently and naturally. Chapter 3. The surprising power of baking soda. Let's talk about something you probably already have in your pantry: baking soda. When used safely and in moderation, baking soda may help support your body's natural pH balance, which is important for overall blood flow and energy. You see, as we get older, our body tends to become more acidic due to stress, food, and aging. This can affect how blood moves through your body. One of my patients, James, 70, once told me, "After just a couple weeks of the routine, I feel warmer, more awake, and my wife says I'm more present." Again, it's not magic, it's simply supporting the body's natural systems. Have you ever tried a small home health remedy that worked for you? Share it in the comments. I'm reading every one. Chapter 4. Why you must use baking soda safely. But wait, don't rush to your kitchen just yet. Baking soda must be used with care. Using too much too often, or while on certain medications, can cause issues. I had a patient, Mary, 71, who used it daily without checking with her doctor. She experienced bloating and elevated blood pressure because baking soda can affect sodium levels and fluid balance. So here's my medical advice. Use it only in small amounts. Stay well hydrated, and always consult your doctor, especially if you take blood pressure, heart, or kidney medications. Chapter 5. How to try it the safe way. If you're healthy and cleared by your doctor, here's a safe starting point. 1. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 2. Mix it into 1 full glass of water. 3. Drink it first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, just 2 to 3 times a week. Do not take it after meals or at night. And always listen to your body. Pair this with proper hydration, light movement, and a balanced diet, and it could gently support your overall circulation and comfort. Real story. Ruth's transformation. Let me tell you about Ruth, 74. She felt like her best days were behind her, but after we added a gentle baking soda routine paired with water and lifestyle changes, she came back weeks later glowing. "Dr. Rabeeca," she said, "I'm dancing with my grandkids, holding my husband's hand like we're young again." Conclusion: your spark is still there, friends. Poor circulation may have dulled your spark, but that spark is still in you. This simple shift, just a glass of water, a pinch of care, and a bit of hope, can be the beginning of something beautiful. Now it's your turn. Drop a 1 in the comments if this inspired you. Tell us what's one small change you're trying for your health. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell for more gentle, science-backed tips on how to feel vibrant again naturally. This is Dr. Rabeeca, reminding you, you're not getting older. You are getting wiser, stronger, and more connected than ever. See you in the next one.